When the power goes out and temperatures drop, staying warm becomes a top priority. In today's video, we've picked the top 5 best indoor emergency heater to keep your home safe, comfortable, and cozy during unexpected outages. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Mrteater MHVFBF Heater. The Mrteater MHVFBF stands out as a dependable and effective option when it comes to portable indoor emergency heaters. Designed for small to medium-sized spaces, this propane-powered radiant heater delivers cozy, sun-like warmth that you can count on when the temperatures drop unexpectedly. With adjustable settings that range from 4,000 to 9,000 BTUs, it effectively heats spaces up to 225 square feet, making it ideal for emergency situations, garages, cabins, or unheated rooms during power outages. What sets this model apart is its use of advanced infrared technology, directly warming people and objects without having to heat the surrounding air first. Safety is clearly a top priority with the MHVFBF. It features an improved tip-over safety switch that quickly engages if the heater is bumped, jostled, or tipped over, instantly cutting the fuel supply to prevent accidents. Additionally, the oxygen depletion sensor ODS ensures safe operation in enclosed areas by shutting the unit off if oxygen levels become too low. The piezo ignition system makes starting the heater simple and safe. Just press a button with no need for matches or lighters. Portability is another advantage, with a fold-down handle and lightweight design that makes it easy to transport wherever heat is needed. Number 2. Dreo 1500W Heater. For anyone searching for a reliable and fast-acting indoor emergency heater, the Dreo 1500W PTC ceramic space heater is an excellent choice. Designed with advanced hyperamics tech, this model rapidly delivers warmth, transforming cold rooms into inviting, comfortable spaces in mere seconds. The powerful 1500-watt heating element works efficiently to cover areas up to 250 square feet, making it a great companion for bedrooms, living rooms, offices, and small apartments. One standout feature of this heater is its 70-degree wide-angle oscillation, which ensures that heat spreads evenly throughout the entire room, eliminating cold spots. Safety is also front and center with this model. The Shield 360-degree protection system includes tip-over and overheat safeguards, a 24-hour auto-off function for peace of mind, and construction from V0 flame-retardant materials. The unit's ETL certification offers added reassurance, making it an excellent pick for households with kids and pets. Precision heating is made easy with the digital thermostat, allowing users to select a temperature between 41 degrees Fahrenheit and 95 degrees Fahrenheit. This not only ensures customized comfort, but also promotes energy efficiency by preventing overheating or unnecessary operation. One of its most appreciated qualities is its ultra-quiet operation, producing noise as low as 34 decibels, thanks to its brushless DC motor and specially designed fan blades. Number 3. Amazon Basics Oil Heater. The Amazon Basics oil-filled radiator heater offers a reliable, steady heat source perfect for indoor emergency situations. Its classic oil radiator design provides long-lasting warmth even after the unit is turned off, thanks to the residual heat stored within its 7 oil-filled fins. With 3 adjustable heat settings, 600, 1000, and 1500 watts, you can customize the output to your comfort level, making it a practical solution for bedrooms, living rooms, and small offices up to 144 square feet. One of the primary advantages of this heater is its whisper-quiet operation. Since it radiates heat without a fan, there's no disruptive noise, making it an ideal choice for sleeping areas or workspaces where silence is appreciated. Safety is a key consideration with the Amazon Basics heater, featuring both tip-over and overheat protection that automatically shut the unit off in case of an accident. This ETL-certified model provides peace of mind, especially for households with children and pets. The portability of this heater is enhanced by its smooth gliding caster wheels and integrated handle, allowing it to be moved effortlessly from one room to another. Its slim, upright design ensures it fits easily into tight spaces without taking up too much floor area. This makes it particularly useful in apartments, dorm rooms, or areas where space is limited. Number 4. Mrteater MHVFBF20LPT. The Mrteater MHVFBF20LPT propane wall heater is an outstanding heating solution for anyone looking to efficiently warm up a medium to large space without the need for complicated venting or installation. This heater boasts an impressive 20,000 BTUs of heat output, making it capable of effectively warming rooms, cabins, or garages up to 700 square feet. Its design is optimized for reliable performance even at elevations as high as 4,500 feet, which makes it an excellent option for mountain homes, hunting cabins, or rural getaways where temperatures can quickly drop. One of the standout features of the Mrteater MHVFBF20LPT is its blue flame convection heating method, which works similarly to a traditional fireplace by warming the air rather than objects, providing a more even and natural heat distribution throughout the room. Ease of use is another area where this propane heater shines. It includes a thermostat for precise temperature control and a battery-powered electronic ignition system that ensures a hassle-free startup, with the battery conveniently included. The heater consumes propane at a rate of 0.926 pounds per hour, offering a good balance between performance and fuel efficiency. Safety is a priority with this model, and it comes equipped with an oxygen depletion sensor, ODS, that automatically shuts the unit off if oxygen levels in the room drop too low. Number 5. Sengoku Kerosene Heater. The Sengoku KeroHeat CTN110 kerosene heater is an ideal heating companion for those in need of a versatile, reliable, and portable heat source, whether for emergency preparedness, outdoor use, or supplemental indoor warmth. This compact but powerful unit delivers up to 10,000 BTUs, making it capable of heating areas up to 400 square feet with ease. It's well suited for spaces like garages, basements, workshops, or even poorly insulated rooms where central heating might struggle to keep up during cold snaps. Its ability to function both indoors and outdoors adds to its practical appeal, offering dependable heat wherever it's needed most. What makes the Sengoku KeroHeat particularly attractive is its long-lasting performance. The 1.2-gallon fuel tank allows the heater to run for up to 14 hours on a single fill, making it a cost-effective and efficient solution for extended use. This makes it an excellent choice not only for planned use during winter camping trips or in workshops, but also as a backup heat source during power outages. The heater features a range of safety measures, including an automatic shutoff, a tip-over switch, and protective safety guard grills, making it safer for use around children and pets, always a crucial consideration for home heating appliances. Ease of operation is another standout feature.